Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need the basics set, so check power, Wi-Fi, and Apple ID, then open the Home app to enable Siri and personal requests. Once done, position the HomePod Mini where your voice reaches it easily. To start, say "Hey Siri" or tap the top surface and wait for the chime. That confirms Siri is listening. Make sure your device has internet access, because Siri sends the request to Apple's servers. Now speak your request clearly, and Siri will respond aloud and act. You can ask Siri to play music, set timers, control lights, or send messages. Use natural language and be specific. Once you've started, continue with follow-ups like turn them down or set another timer, because Siri retains context for that session. For smart home control, name the room, for example, kitchen light stove 50%, and Siri targets the right device. To stop or adjust audio, say "Hey Siri, lower volume 30%, or tap the top to pause. Finish interactions by confirming actions aloud or by glancing at the Home app to verify changes. If Siri is unresponsive, first try simple fixes. Reboot the HomePod Mini, ensure your iPhone and HomePod share Wi-Fi, and toggle Siri and personal requests in the Home app. If issues persist, reset network settings on your router, or remove and re-add the HomePod in Home. Only then consider unlinking your Apple ID. This sequence preserves data and usually resolves communication problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.